Today we are going to share with you making the letter L. So here we are going to make it letter L. The beginning we use the wire is 0.8 and I cut it 15 centimeter. Hi KLS, happy to see you. Okay, at the first that we are going to use our flat plier to tight the beginning of the wire loop here. Then we are going to make a circle like this. Okay, so here this is the way. Then we bend it here like this, and we are going to attach here to wrap it. Yeah, wrap it, and we tight at this part and wrap it at the here this way, fold, then so this is a nice L we finished. Yeah, so here's the way that's for the nice L. Then we go to wrap the letter little L. Little L we are going to make it this way here. Then so this is the little L. This is the big L. This is the little L that we make. Yeah, it's very easy making. Easy making. Then we can use this L to make some thing that's like make LEA. Yeah, make a LEA. Thank you. It's very easy to make the letter L. Okay. Here first we tie it here and we bend it, and we can fold a little bit, make like this shape. Okay. Then we put it here, and we can fold it at the front. You can fold it at the front or at the back. So it's this. You just see that how you write the L is like this. Okay, then we go to fold it. Bend it down a little bit like this, and then fold it. Okay, E, we wrap the E. Okay. We wrap E. LE. O. Or LEA. We wrap the A here. Thank you, my friends. Welcome to my live streaming. A, we go to bend it like this. Okay, the letter A here. And and we fold it to the back. Okay. So this is the LEA we made. Hi, Stephanie. Happy to see you. I'll say link, Stephanie. I started trying letters yesterday and got my AS done. Wow, that's good. Okay, so here is the way we make the LEA. Then we try a L. Okay, we try the L. Okay, here. This is the L. Okay, so LEAL. We're done. So here L and L. L is make like this way. L. Okay, so we try the DLEAL, and I'm here going to make the DELLA. My name here, or ELLA. I go to make my daughter's name Ella. Ella. Going to try Ella. E.